Welcome to the Venice of the Americas, the city of Fort Lauderdale. We find ourselves in the South New River Isles community at 1321 Tangelo Isle. We've got 2,800 square foot total under air, with more than 50% of it being built in 2018. This house has everything. It's in perfect condition, brand new, split bedroom layouts, all the modern features. But you know what? Let's let it speak for itself. Come check it out. Three bedrooms, 3.5 bathrooms, split bedroom layout. This home just has everything you could possibly imagine, with Viking appliances, top of the line finishes, beautiful pool, all brand new, redone, hot tub area, and a nightclub. You're gonna wanna check that out. All right, welcome. And so I wanna give you a little bit of lay of the land here at 1321 Tangelo. Originally, this was a 2-bedroom, 2-bath, single-family home. So everything you see this way was the original structure, and everything else was brand new, 2018. So follow me. In the main house, you had 2 bedrooms here, where this one continues to be the guest bedroom. It's about 17 by 20, pretty large bedroom, corner lot, beautiful view of the water, full bath, and large walk-in closet. So this is a very comfortable guest bedroom. But follow me to the most exciting room in the house. This was a traditional 1-bedroom with a full bath that goes out to a private patio, but it is currently the DJ booth, the DJ party room. We've got Pioneer turntables, professional lighting, speakers. This whole bench here rumbles with the sound. It's definitely a heck of a place to entertain, but check it out. And for the daytime, we've got a private patio with jacuzzi right on the river. So as we make our way through the main living areas of the home, you've got a beautiful 400-gallon saltwater reef aquarium with refugium. The half bath, which goes out to the pool. And this entire area was all done in 2018, new build. So you've got oversized kitchen with Viking appliances, Sub-Zero, Wolf, everything top of the line, beautiful dining room area with a view of the pool and the waterway. Really, this house has so much natural light, high ceilings, large open spaces, large closets. And the bathroom is the most exciting part of the house as well too, because from in here, you can actually get a view of the water while you're having a shower. This home literally has too much to list, but if you're looking for a house that can fit your boat or yacht and your friend's yachts with a pool, with a nightclub, then you need to check out 1321 Tangelo Isle.